Hi, welcome to Home Road channel. Please subscribe to Home Road channel now to get more videos on office administration and management. I'm Mel Garcia, and today I will be sharing with you the overview of the personal and professional development course. Self-knowledge is the beginning of self-improvement. This is the most popular Baltasar Gracian quote that reflects the true essence of a unique process called self-knowledge. You might ask, why is it so important? How to gain knowledge of self? How do you see yourself? And how do people brand you? Well, personal development is a lifelong process. It is the process of improving oneself, but you can only improve yourself if you know who you are. So, this course can help you to develop yourself and discover new growth. It may take time, but it is worth the journey. Are you ready? If yes, start to build your life with the right mindset now because it determines what your future will be. How well do you know yourself? Let's learn more about ourselves with this course. Within the new normal, the shift of our education has brought about many changes. One of the more important changes in the offering, the alternative learning methods that include online learning and offline methods such as take-home readings and activities. This online lecture series deals with the holistic approach to the total development of a learner's personality with a strong emphasis on the personal and professional advancement of administrative professionals. It also covers comprehensive learning and applications of different aspects of personality and professionalism essential for good human and public relations in today's business environment. The lecture online is a tool in fulfilling your potentials. While the objective of this course as an academic subject is to help clarify your career path to success, the more important facet of personal and professional development is realizing your fullest potential. Your fullest potential as a person. If achieved, this is more than enough to declare your success in life. These are the topics to be discussed in this series. Lesson 1, Self and Personality. Lesson 2, Basis of Personality Development. Lesson 3, Ways of Improving Personality. Lesson 4, Developing Professional Image. Lesson 5, Motivations and Emotions. Lesson 6, Developing Positive Attitude. Lesson 7, Values and Image Improvement. Lesson 8, Professional Development. Lesson 9, the job application. And Lesson 10, Career Development. May you discover and create the best version of the person you want to become. Life is not about finding yourself, but about creating yourself. The path could change, but the vision should be clear throughout your journey. Give yourself permission permission to think and act. Choose to do your most amazing work without anyone's approval. Choose yourself today. According to Alucard, nothing lasts forever. We can change the future. Are you ready to start your journey towards self discovery and self acceptance? Let's enjoy learning a personal and professional development course with this lecture series. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now to get the latest lecture series on personal and professional development. I am Mel Garcia, and this is the Home Road Channel.